Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can outrun the competition, get more online exposure, and of course, get more customers. First things first, have your website pulled out here, and it seems that you have a decent amount of content in between images and wording. So, that being said, if I go back and type on Google HVAC, Monmouth County, New Jersey. First, we're going to see this sponsored by Google. Of course, you pay to be here. Then we have the traditional Google Ads. This is where you pay pretty much every time that somebody clicks on it. Then we have the map section, and then we have the organic results. So position number one, this is a Yelp directory. We have these guys, EdisonHVAC.com, uh, TomRoston.com. Let's see. I keep scrolling down, but I don't see your website here. And this could be a lot of factors coming in into place. The first thing that I can suggest is to have relevant content. And by that, I mean more specific keywords adding to the wording that will definitely will help you, especially in the home page and then on the sub pages here, for example, air conditioning repair. Let's see. And you can see that even though you have a lot of information here, definitely adding more content will help you to be found on Google. For example, if you go back to the if you go and check the back end of your website, you're being found for over 800 keywords. Is giving you it's driving traffic, 107 visits a month to your website. You have 959 backlinks. Now, backlinks are other sites that are mentioned on your website and will give you power so it can be ranked on the Google search. And this will increase the domain rating and the URL rating. But not all backlinks are created equal. So you can have hundreds and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you want to be found for, it's going to be absolutely useless. If we take a look on the keywords that you are being found um, for example, Precision Tech NJ, which is a part of your brand. Number one, of course, NJ Home Services. Um, there's an average of 60 searches a month, and you're ranking number six right now. Just climbed 3 positions. But again, depending on what are the goals do you want actually to target? Because HVAC, Montgomery County, it seems to be something that people will that drives more searches a month, but you're not targeting, for example, this one over here, air conditioning repair freehold, 90 searches a month, and you start ranking. You're on the third page, pretty much. So you just climb five spots. If we go back over here, I can see that you are running Google Ads. And like I was telling you, you pay for each time somebody clicks on it. So if somebody is looking for HVAC Freehold, New Jersey, so an average volume of 40 searches a month, and it's costing you $18 each time that somebody clicks on it, and it's giving you around 5% of that traffic to your website. But again, this is ads. If this is not done properly, you can spend a lot of money and not see the result that you might want to. So for the purpose of the video, I went and pull out this guy's website, the Edison guys, and you can tell they have a lot of things going on here. And one of the things that why they're being ranked, if they're from Edison, is that they have different dedicated sub pages to each one of the the counties or the areas that they want to be found for. That will be one of the suggestions that you can actually consider adding to your website. If we look on the back end of their website, they're being found for over 2,000 keywords. It's bringing them 681 visits a month to their website, and they have over 8,000 backlinks. So this is why they're ranking over there, even though they're not based from Montgomery County. They're targeting that area, and they seem to be competing pretty aggressive over here. So something you want to take in consideration. If we look on the keywords, they're not running any Google ads in here, you can see. But if we look on the keywords that they are targeting, let's take a look. Right here, HVAC NJ, they're targeting the whole state. And you see that's 150 searches a month. And that is giving them 46 visits to their website. They're ranking #1, so something you want to take into consideration now as well. Furnace Repair NJ, 100 searches a month, and they're ranking #2, and that's bringing in 14 visits um, to their website. So, um, simple tips: if you are working with a marketing company, which I believe you might be, or not, but these tips will definitely will help you to have another perspective of what's going on and why you're not ranking on this Google search in specific. So again, if you like what you hear, if you think we can help you out, our information will be attached to the email. And I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.